Alright guys, so in today's video we'll be playing Michael Myers, and this is going to be a tier 4 undetectable build. So for the perk setup, we got Corrupt Intervention, what blocks the 3 furthest gens and gives us 120 seconds of block generators. Play with your food, it gives you obsession stacks, so every time you escape from the chase with the obsession, it gives you tokens to gain speed. Trail of Torment, every time you kick a gen, you go undetectable for 60 seconds until it is kicked again. And then Nowhere to Hide. When you damage a generator, all the aura in a 24-meter radius is shown to you. And then the 2 add-ons that I'll be running is a Memorial, which gives you increased rate of stalk, and Tombstone Piece, it allows you to kill as soon as you get to tier 3. And then obviously gotta run the Greatly Thick and Miss, so I'm gonna see you guys in the first game. Alright. We're on Macmillan Estate. See how this first game goes. Alright, now I just gotta find these survivors. Should be over here somewhere. Bro, look at that. I see. Yo, they don't even see me. Guys, holy shit. Bro, these motherfuckers are lucky I'm not running tier 3. Where are these guys just giving me a free game? Okay. These guys just gave me a free game. Wow, what a first game, bro. Bro, what is the point of starting a game just to get killed by the killer? Like, there's no way that people actually play like this. Alright, another kill down. Well, you guys already know how this game's gonna go, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Or the next game, my bad. Alright, this is our second game. We're back on the same map again. Oh yeah, my bad in the last clip, guys. In my intro, I said that I was playing a tier 4 Myers build. This is not a tier 4 Myers build, so my apologies on that part. But let's get this second game started. Oh, I already see someone. Yeah, he's playing this pretty smart. But we still got tier 2. Now he's just looking at me. Hey, no flashlights. Okay, somebody just blessed a totem somewhere. Alright, let's go over here. I want to see 2 people. See the Steve and Nia. Yep, this Steve is dead. Oh, wait. Yeah, that sucks. We had to down him. He was gonna get the pallet. I'll take it down. Okay, and now I'm gonna go over here because I know there's someone on this gen. I just hope my tier 3 doesn't run out before I get over there. Hopefully we can sneak up on him. Oh my god. Yo, we still got him flash. Shouldn't have done that. Should have just ran away. Weird ass player, bro. I'm gonna kick this down so I can get through here easily. And now I can just kick this to get undetectable. Show me any aura. Yo, look at that, look at that. Nice, Steve is down again. Bro, they didn't even know that I was coming. This build, I love this build so much. Okay, she has to be on this. No, that's the... This isn't Nia, but I'll just stalk her just to get it up. Okay, then Nia is over there. Okay, and I'm gonna leave her. Okay, and I'm gonna leave her again, just so I can get my stack back. At least he's injured. Oh, god damn it, bro. That's the second time. I don't know why she wouldn't go for the pallet, though. I'm pretty sure I just saw Steve, too. Yep, you're dead. Yeah, that Yui is so, like, stupid. She should have just went for the pallet. And I can go undetectable again. See if any aura is revealed to me. No. But we are undetectable. Here's the totem. Yo, let's see if we can, like... I'm gonna see if I can get this Nia. Okay, I see scratch marks. Alright, she saved the Yui. What is going in the back of the map gonna do? Alright. Yui should be up here somewhere. Yeah. There she is. Yep, she's gonna save the Nia again. Nice, and we got our stack from the obsession. So now we're faster. Alright, bro, we have to get this Nia. We have to end this game. This game is taking so much longer than it needs to. Okay, we got the hatch. So you can only go through these 2 gates. Alright, well, that's a GG. That's still a GG in my book. Alright, well guys, that was the tombstone piece build. Undetectable mithers. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what killers you want me to play next. And have a good day. Peace.